Hello, Becky Perry with Perfectly Posh here. I had to do a quick video to let you know about the Posh weekly special that's going on right now. If you're watching this video at a later date, you can contact me and I'm sure I can hook you up with something great. But I am a huge fan of lippies. I love balms, scrubs, anything plumping, color, lips, I mean anything. I love it all. But here is the special. Is one of these. There's a few different kinds for $5. These are normally $9, so they're $4 off, almost half off for one of these things. But here's what I love to do, and in this order. Put a little bit of balm on. These things are only $4. They're awesome balms. They last forever. Super smoothing on your lips. I really recommend one of these. But doing a balm first, and then using one of these great sugar scrubs. And I love anything peaches, so there's O Peaches, and then here's a Make-Out Magic if you like something a little bit more sugary, buttery. Then this would be for you. I know there's a couple other kinds of flavors online. I'll post the link so you can check that out. So doing the balm, the scrub, and then one of these lip plumping lip glosses. So they plump your lips, make them really full, give you kind of that tingly effect. The colors are really great. And they're $4 off right now. So go grab one for yourself. I'll post some links for you and enjoy that little lip treatment for yourself or gift it to a friend. Thank you.